All right, it's time to up your game as a student since you're going to be submitting a lot of documents online. So I'm going to show you some of my tricks to make things look prettier, and it will help you out in the long run. Go. So the first thing you want to do is go to CamScanner.com and download this app on your phone. Right, you don't actually have to go to CamScanner.com. You go to on your phone. Right, the app is free. All right, and then also go to pushbullet.com and download that. Sign up with Google. All right, so click the apps, and then download it for Chrome. And then when you download it for Chrome, and then also download it on your phone, right? This little extension will show up. You will need that. All right, that's important. All right, so download that. All right, now let's go to the phone to show you what you'll see on your phone. Okay, here's my iPhone. All right, so first we'll show you the app. Here's what Pushbullet looks like, and then here's CamScanner. Open CamScanner. Down bottom are the button to press. You can hit single or batch. Right, I put it on a black background because it takes a better picture. Right, and you can use these things to adjust the margins. Right, then down bottom, click the arrow. Magically makes it look better. You can change the settings. Right, then down bottom, click the check mark. Right, and then you can rename it. Let's find a name that I haven't used yet. Oh, looks like I used that name. Let's try another name. Yep, that works. All right, now the dots down bottom, the share button, the email button, and the three dots, they have a lot of functions. So let's just click the three dots. All right, you can save things as a JPEG or a PDF. All right, you can also email it to yourself, and so on. This is just another email to yourself. All right, so if I click the share button and do save as JPEG or PDF, I did JPEG in this case, hit open in, scroll over, click more, scroll down, click Pushbullet. All right, and then you can see it's going to go to Chrome right now, but I can change that to any one I want. So back to Chrome, then I'm going to hit post. All right, and now it shows up on my computer screen in a couple seconds. So here it is. It shows up on Google Chrome. It just pops up there. Right, so once you're here, you can save it if you want to, any way you want to. And just to give you an idea, if you click it, you can zoom in, zoom back out. Now here's what I took a picture also and used Pushbullet to send it. You can see this is a picture. It is much worse, all right? Way harder to see, poor quality, and you're better than that. So, right, go to the scanning app. Right, so once you have it, let's say I need a piece of this, all right, for a document, right? So then I can use my GreenShot, which I told you to download yesterday, right? I can make a copy of a piece of it that I need. Here I am copying it. All right. I can save it, or I can like copy to the clipboard. Maybe I have a Word document to go to. Let's see if I can get there. Come on, pop up. All right. Here's my Word document, and then I can just paste it in there, and I can change the size to make it fit. All right. And now I am an expert at getting things from my phone, all right, to make it a digital document. All right. Good luck and keep up the good work.